Hi viewers, container gardening brings nature to any space balcony, patio or sunny windowsill. Can support a garden. This article container friendly plants can create a gorgeous flourishing garden. Herbs. Container grown herbs add flavor to dishes and require little maintenance. Basil, mint, rosemary and thyme thrive in small pots or hanging baskets. Plant them in the sun for fresh herbs to flavor and decorate your food. For low maintenance plants with character, succulents are best. These hardy plants are perfect for sculptural container display due to their wide range of sizes, shapes and colors. Aloe vera, jade plants and echeverias thrive in well-drained containers and need little water. Petunias, colorful blooms and low maintenance make them great container plants. These annual flowers grow in many containers and come in many colors. Petunias are easy to grow and will bloom all season if given enough sunlight and water. Tomatoes. Container grown tomatoes taste better than store bought ones. Cherry or patio tomatoes work well in pots. You shall soon be eating delicious homegrown tomatoes if you give her tomato plants a sunny spot, a solid support system, and consistent watering. Ferns add lushness to container gardening. These plants' graceful fronds and foliage enhance any room. Boston and mid-hair ferns thrive in well-drained soil and moderate moisture. They shall look gorgeous if you give them shade or partial shade. Panacea. Panacea and color and personality to containers. Winter blooms are rainbow colored. Peonies grow in pots, baskets and window boxes. Plant them early spring or late fall when temperatures are mild for continuous blooming. In conclusion, you can grow a beautiful garden in any size container. Herbs, succulents, petunias, tomatoes, ferns, and peonies are easy to grow plants that can bring the joy of gardening indoor or out. Get containers, choose some plants, and go on a happy adventure. Simple container gardening plants can turn your fingertips into a nature-filled oasis. If you found these suggestions useful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.